Like I cannot talk today, but I finished my workout and my house smells so good. It smells like pho because that's what I made yesterday. And I'm gonna take a quick body shower just because I feel disgusting. I don't want to be sitting in my sweat all day. So I'm trying to be more healthy, and a really long time since I've actually drank my Arbonne Green Balance, so I'm gonna take like a little shot of it just because I don't get enough veggies and fruits in my body. And I know that because I'm obviously not eating. I mean, you guys saw from my video going to work, I ate like French toast and yogurt.
một thiên à giờ chỉ bọn chả rồi tỏ cha giống chỉ bọn chả tu rồi nó phan rồi nó đo rồi thế chỉ tôi cũng sao tôi bọn món này cũng thế này một cái này lúc này chế tỏ cha giống chỉ cũng thế một vì ta đã giải cái tông chả này rồi cái mà lý sáng còn nên đàn sai chơi chàng chuyện là món này tin tỏ cha tôi cũng đã chỉ cũng thế mà cứ rên rõ hết cho con luôn.
I'm so tired. I didn't go to bed until 11:30 because yesterday when I got home, my mom called me to go and pick up some elk meat. So we went around 7 because we had to eat dinner first. And then we went there. We ended up staying at my parents' house until like 9:30. And then we went to Walmart and the grocery store because we needed to get some shampoo. And I get to see my baby niece tomorrow. She is visiting for like a short, quick weekend. So I get to see her tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm gonna head over to my parents' house, and I don't have to make dinner tomorrow because I'm gonna go eat some capon. I think that's what my sister is making. Whoa, what are you guys doing?
Hi! Mila's ready to explain!
Hi, Kala.
Ever we can play on the birthday on the night time.
I know.
Welcome to the best night ever! Yeah, it's the best night! Yeah. Welcome to the best night ever! This is my cousin Lydia, but she doesn't want to be in the video.
The best date ever! Mila, Mila!
Lydia, how did it... Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, but she does get red though.
Yeah, I can see it right now.
I know. I'm not exaggerating. My skin isn't even saying it. You allergic. Hello. Back to another day. And It is 7:30 right now. Excuse me for my morning voice, and my skin is doing so bad right now. It's just like freaking out. I don't know why, but you can literally like connect the dots. Like, yeah. Anyways, I have a bit of a schedule today. Yesterday I didn't come home until 12:30. I went over to my parents' house because my sister, my baby niece, is in town, so they're only here for a short weekend. And I went over yesterday after work. I was supposed to leave by 10:30, but I ended up leaving at 12:15, so I didn't get home until 12:30. And I just went straight to bed because my husband's already sleeping, and I just didn't want to make a lot of noise. So this morning I'm gonna tidy up the house and then head over to my sister-in-law's house so that I can spend time with my niece, because I'm gonna miss her. She's only here for a little bit, so I'm trying to spend as much time as I can with her. Hi!
Yeah.
No. Okay.
So I get to go. Sit the whole entire day. Mom,
Really? It's rainy. It's raining a lot, but I love it. I don't mind the rain. And my husband's gonna go hunting, so we're just gonna head to the store and actually just go grab some last minute things that they need. So yesterday I told my husband that I wanted to go out for dessert, because since he's going hunting, then I wanted him to take me somewhere to just spend a little bit of time with me and have like a little small date night. So we went to Cold Stone because I had gift cards from my workplace from at least 5-6 months ago. I just never used it. And I got a chocolate and Oreo filling milkshake. It was good. I wish it was a little bit more milky because it's so thick that when you try to drink it, you can't even get anything up the straw. But yeah, it was still good. And it wasn't cold, surprisingly. So that's why I told him, like, let's go out for ice cream, because usually around this time, I don't really like to eat cold stuff. I don't know why it looks so zoomed in. I don't like it. I'm like pretty far from you guys too. But anyways, I'm gonna head to the mall. I need to go get some baby shower gifts, and then I'm gonna head over and visit my husband for lunch. Just wearing my waffle shirt, as you guys always see, from Uniqlo. This parka is also from Uniqlo. I got it probably a year ago, I want to say. I have it in this really nice hunter green color. Alright guys, so I am home. I went to the mall, and then I went to go have lunch with my husband during his lunch break. I didn't really record at the mall because your girl had no hands. I had to like hold my phone on one hand to make sure I was keeping track of the time, and the other hand was like going through clothes and trying to find like a baby shower gift. And I found a really cute planner. I love all the pastel colors, and I love how it has a little elastic right here to keep the pages from opening. The inside is really cute too. I love like the whole layout. I like how it's not the really hard covers. I actually prefer it to be soft like this, as long as it has an elastic to keep the pages together from like opening or things getting inside. I really want to go and do something because, you know, I did my hair, I did my makeup, but it's rainy and I'm not trying to get stuck somewhere because my car wasn't starting. And good thing it was when my husband was with me. It's not the first time this has happened. It's happened before, but it just gets like so frustrating. I decided not to go anywhere else because I don't want my car to go and like die somewhere else and then have to be stressed and be stuck there. So yeah, funny story. So a few years ago when my cousin was actually getting married, my sister, they came in town, and I had took my niece and my nephew with me to go to the venue so that we can help my cousin set up her wedding. And my niece, as I was driving, my niece was probably around like the age of 8 or 9 at this time, and she goes, "Auntie Crystal, how come your car's so old?" And I was just like, I didn't know how to respond to her because it really took me by surprise. Like, I was like, girl, like, what do you mean old? Like, I know it doesn't look the best, but it still runs. Like, it gets me where I need to go. And I was like, why did she have to call me out like that? Like, I got a little offended. I just told her, I was like, Caitlin, sometimes it's not about how the way things look. All that matters is that my car can get me to where I need to go, and I don't have to worry about it. It works fine just like any other car. And you know, even sometimes the newest cars out there will still break down. So every time when I have car issues now, whenever my car doesn't start, I always think about what she said to me, like, Auntie Crystal, how come your car is so old? And I promise one day I will get a new car. I will get a family car so that when I do have a family, I don't have to buy another vehicle. I'll be set for that. So I just wanted to share that funny story time with you guys. I just thought it was hilarious. So every time I have like a car problem or my car gets beat up even more, I'm just like, man, I can't even imagine what my niece is thinking. She's gonna be like, Auntie Crystal, like, your car's so old, like, why is that? My goal next year is to hopefully be able to buy a new car. I mean, I don't need it to be like brand new 2022, whatever like that. As long as it looks decent and it drives, because your girl does not want to do car payments. I'm actually in a really pissed off, irritated mood right now. And I don't like to vlog when I'm in this kind of, I don't like to vlog when I feel like this, but you know what? This is real life. I'm not always happy. I'm not always, you know, full of energy. And sometimes you just feel frustrated, pissed off, and angry. So that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. And I got a shit ton of freaking dishes I need to do. And I really want to use a dishwasher, but I'm not. I'm just really irritated because my house is messy. I have so much stuff I need to do, and there's just a lot on my plate right now. And I feel like, and the only thing I want to do is just sleep. Like, I don't want to deal with anything. I just want to shut everything out and not have to worry about it. But sadly, that's not the case, you know. Shit doesn't happen like that in real life. So anyways, I'm gonna clean up this freaking kitchen, eat something, and also clean my freaking living room, and just that way I can focus, because when my house becomes like a shithole and it's messy, I cannot focus. I can't focus, and everything just like pisses me off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully when I check back in later, I'll be in a happier mood. But other than that, I'm just really irritated, frustrated of everything, and the last thing I want to do is any of this stuff, but it's not gonna get done by itself. So that's where I come in, you know.
Feel like falling deeper. Colder nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기엔